up, guys? And today I'ma show y'all the most busted build in Chainsaw Man Devil Heart. Trust. Let's go over the skills. This whole build, you actually need full parry mastery, obviously, but the main part is Neo, and in my humble and honest opinion, I think it is the most busted skill in the game. I'm just gonna say it. Alright, let's get it started.
Okay.
Just make sure you get their action, then dodging.
Hey, why is it not working? No, what? Wait, oh, you can't dodge that. I'm pretty confused. Okay, well, you just have a bunch of, like, non-dodgeable moves.
What would be better instead of Ghost Hand Punch is
Oh my
grab.
god.
You do want to try and get some parries off, because it will be free damage if you know that you'll parry it. Oh, that's why. We still have, so. I don't know why they went to
Like,
what is happening?
I'm not gonna lie, that's so
Good
cheap.
combo. And he's dead. Jeez. Oh yeah, that's it. Literally cannot be hit. Told ya. Oh, okay. Well, all right. There are some things that you can't dodge, but most things you can most definitely dodge. The most important stuff. So, yeah, I'll make a guide on what Neo can dodge, and yeah, that's it.